If I could legally steal 10% of your wealth every year without touching your bank account, would you notice? You probably wouldn't. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the invisible system that's quietly making millions of hardworking people poorer, even when their salary keeps increasing. If you understand this one concept, you'll know why most people stay broke and how the wealthy protect and grow their money instead. Every morning, your coffee costs a little more, your groceries cost a little more, your rent, your fuel, your favorite meal. But your bank balance looks exactly the same. Nobody stole your money, nobody hacked your account, yet somehow you can buy less than you could yesterday. You became poorer without realizing it. This silent force has destroyed more purchasing power than many market crashes. Its name? Inflation. And if you don't understand how it works, you could spend your entire life chasing a bigger paycheck while your real wealth quietly disappears. Let's go back in time. Imagine walking into a supermarket 10 years ago with 1,000 rupees. Your shopping cart slowly filled up. Rice, milk, vegetables, cooking oil, snacks. By the time you reached the checkout, you still had money left. Now, walk into that same supermarket today. You buy almost the same items, but something feels different. The bill is much higher. The products haven't magically become better. Your money has simply become less powerful. That's inflation. Inflation means that over time, the general price of goods and services increases. As prices rise, every rupee in your pocket buys a little less than before. Think of money like ice. Leave an ice cube on a table. You don't notice anything during the first few minutes. But keep watching. Slowly, it begins to melt. Not at once, drop by drop. Inflation behaves the same way. It doesn't suddenly destroy your wealth. It slowly reduces your purchasing power. 1 year, the difference feels small. 5 years, you begin to notice. 20 years, the difference becomes enormous. And that's why inflation is so dangerous. Not because it's dramatic, because it's patient. It quietly works in the background every single day, while most people are busy living their lives. Here's what's fascinating. Human beings are surprisingly bad at noticing slow change. If someone took 10,000 rupees from your wallet today, you'd notice immediately. You'd panic. But if inflation quietly reduced the value of your money over several years, most people wouldn't even think about it. Psychologists call this the money illusion. We focus on the number we earn instead of what that money can actually buy. A salary increase feels exciting, but if prices rise just as fast, your financial life may not improve at all. That's why many people say, "I'm earning more than ever, but life still feels expensive." They're not imagining it. Inflation changes your financial reality long before it changes your emotions. And because the damage happens slowly, most people never prepare for it. Here's where most people make a mistake. They believe that saving money is enough. And don't get me wrong, saving is important. It gives you security, peace of mind, an emergency cushion. But there's one problem. If your money stays in one place for years while inflation keeps rising, your purchasing power slowly falls behind. Imagine leaving 1 lakh rupees untouched for 10 years. The number in your bank account may remain the same, but what that money can actually buy will almost certainly be different. That's why wealthy people don't simply save money. They make their money work. Not because they're chasing quick profits, but because they understand one simple truth. If your money isn't growing over long periods, inflation is quietly reducing what it can do for you. The goal isn't to take reckless risks. The goal is to give your money the opportunity to keep pace with or potentially outgrow inflation over time. The consequences of ignoring inflation don't appear overnight. That's what makes it so dangerous. You won't wake up one morning suddenly poor. Instead, you slowly notice small changes. Your monthly grocery bill becomes larger. Fuel costs increase. Rent goes up. Travel becomes more expensive. Healthcare costs continue rising. Year after year, your lifestyle quietly becomes more expensive to maintain. Then one day, you ask yourself a painful question. Why does it feel like I'm earning more but saving less? The answer may not be your income. It may be inflation. Because inflation doesn't just increase prices, it quietly steals opportunities. The opportunity to retire earlier, to buy a home, to build financial freedom. And the longer you ignore it, the more powerful it becomes. The deeper truth is, inflation isn't something to fear, it's something to understand. Every healthy economy experiences some level of inflation. The real difference lies in preparation. The wealthy know cash has a purpose. It provides liquidity, safety, and flexibility. But they also know that leaving large amounts of money idle for years can reduce its purchasing power. That's why they focus on building productive assets over time: businesses, stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate. Not because they're guaranteed, but because productive assets have historically had the potential to grow over the long term, even though they also involve risk. They don't fight inflation with fear, they prepare for it with knowledge. If there's one lesson hidden inside this documentary, it's this: don't judge your wealth only by how much money you have. Judge it by what your money will still be able to buy 10 years from now. Because wealth isn't just about earning, it's about preserving purchasing power. The people who build lasting wealth understand one thing: money should never remain completely idle forever. It should always have a purpose: protect you, grow with you, or create future opportunities. That's how financial freedom is built, quietly, patiently, year after year. At the beginning of this documentary, we asked a simple question: how can someone lose wealth without spending a single rupee? Now you know, inflation doesn't steal your money. It steals your money's power, silently, patiently, every single day. Most people spend their lives chasing bigger salaries. The wealthy spend their lives protecting the value of what they already have, because they understand something that changes everything. It's not enough to earn money. Your money must continue working long after you've earned it. The future doesn't belong to those who simply save. It belongs to those who prepare. Because in the end, inflation doesn't decide who becomes wealthy. Your decisions do. Understand it, respect it, prepare for it, and you'll stop watching your wealth slowly disappear and start building a future that grows stronger with time.
Before you leave, I want an honest answer. Do you think inflation will get worse or better in 2027? Comment only one word: worse or better. Let's see which side wins. I'll be reading the comments and replying to some of you.